For going over the Java 8 streams using a map, we'll be using this example where we will have a phone book here, and it will be a map of string to long, with the key string being the name, and then the long being the phone number, as a way to look up someone's phone number based on their name. And down here, we'll initialize it with Joe, for example, having the phone number 123, yada yada. And then we'll also have this list of the desired names where we want to convert this list of Joe, Anna, Robert into a list of their phone numbers. List of Joe, then Anna, then Robert's phone number. So first we'll do it the old way using the basic for loop. We'll have the return list, the list of long with their phone numbers. And then we will have the for each loop. We'll loop over each of their names in the list. And then we will take the phone numbers list and add their phone number. So what we'll have to do is go into the conversion map and then get their phone number based on their name. And then here, just add it like that, and then return the phone numbers list. And then here's the way to do it with the stream functions. So what you do is just convert the list to a stream, like so. And then we would use the map function and then pass in a lambda function where it takes the name as input. And then we will do the same thing as before. How do we convert this string to its corresponding phone number? We just look it up in the conversion map, conversion map.get based on name, and then convert the stream back into a list as so. And both of these will do the exact same thing, with the stream being a little bit more concise and readable, at least in my opinion. So here we'll output both just to make sure that they both do the exact same thing, give the same exact output. And here, do the stream function. Let's go ahead and output it. Running it here, and as you see, we have Joe, Anna, Robert, and then it outputs each of their corresponding phone numbers as expected.